Have you ever wondered what would happen if everyday objects fell at the speed of light? You know, just regular things we see all the time like a sewing needle or maybe a bit bigger like a blue whale. What kind of damage could they really do? Today we explore the catastrophic consequences of such an event that would completely rewrite our understanding of physics and the delicate balance of the cosmos. We're going to dive into the mind-blowing world of relativistic impacts where the impossible becomes reality. Let's start small, with something you might find in your sewing kit, a needle. Harmless enough, right? But what if that needle were to fall at the speed of light, piercing through the very fabric of space-time? We're talking about 299,792,458 meters per second, a speed so fast it makes your head spin. Now you might think, it's just a tiny needle, what kind of damage could it do? Well, my friends, this is where Einstein's famous equation E = mc2 comes into play. This equation tells us that energy, E, is equal to mass, m, times the speed of light, c, squared. Even if the needle weighed just 1 gram, its energy at the speed of light would be absolutely enormous. We're talking about an impact comparable to a nuclear explosion, releasing a blinding flash of energy and a devastating shockwave that would level buildings in an instant. The needle itself would be vaporized on impact, its atoms scattered to the cosmic winds. Now let's scale things up a bit. Imagine, if you will, a blue whale, the largest animal on our planet, plunging through the atmosphere at the speed of light. These majestic creatures can weigh up to 200 tons, and at the speed of light, their impact would be nothing short of apocalyptic. We're talking about an energy release equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The Earth's crust would buckle under the unimaginable force, creating a crater so large you could see it from space. Tsunamis taller than mountains would surge across the globe, swallowing entire coastlines in their wake. The shockwave from the impact would trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a scale never before witnessed. And as if that weren't enough, the heat generated by the impact would ignite the atmosphere, turning the sky into a raging inferno. Chapter 3. But let's take this thought experiment even further, shall we? Imagine the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building ever constructed by human hands, plummeting from the sky at the speed of light. This towering structure, weighing in at a staggering 500,000 tons, would become a weapon of unimaginable destructive power. The energy released upon impact would be enough to shatter continents, vaporize oceans, and potentially even knock the Earth off its axis. We're talking about an extinction-level event that would make the Chicxulub impact, the one that wiped out the dinosaurs, look like a minor inconvenience. The very fabric of our planet would be torn asunder, leaving behind a scarred and lifeless husk. Outro. In short, objects moving at the speed of light carry astronomical amounts of energy, turning even the smallest ones into apocalyptic threats. The faster something moves, the more energy it possesses, and at the speed of light, that energy becomes virtually infinite. Thankfully, the laws of physics as we understand them prevent objects with mass from ever reaching such speeds. The speed of light isn't just a limit, it's a cosmic speed bump, ensuring that the universe remains a relatively stable place. But it's still fun to think about, right? So the next time you see a shooting star streaking across the night sky, take a moment to appreciate the immense power of the universe and the delicate balance that holds it all together. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of physics.